Hey guys, welcome to my channel Techbusi. Today I am going to unbox the new Apple iPhone 12 128GB blue color. So actually I was bought this mobile from the local store, that is the iPlanet, that is the official Apple store. So let us see the unboxing video. So this is the packaging of the mobile. So here you will find it, iPhone 12 128GB blue color model. So back side they have mentioned only the specifications and the country of manufacturing or origin. So it is manufactured in China but not in India. So the package is nice and simple compared to the previous packagings, looking nice. So there is no complex packaging, just unbox the iPhone 12, just peel the cover and slowly open the box. Backside they have mentioned only specifications, nothing there. Actually blue color is one of the topmost selling color in India. So see, this is the mobile handset Apple iPhone 12. So keep it there side and look into the box, what are the content inside there. They have given only lightning cable. So this is not the normal USB to lightning cable. It is on both sides. You will get one side a lightning cable and other side you will get a type C port. Here this is the ejector pin and normal manual. Nothing is there in the box other than this, because Apple cut down the adapter for the iPhone devices. Recently they have announced that they are not giving the iPhone adapter in their box. You have to purchase separately iPhone adapter to charge your iPhone. If you have old iPhone charger also it will support, but now the iPhone 12 supports 25 watts charging support, so for fast charging. So that's why if you use older one it will slowly recharge. This side USB, this side nothing is there, there is only SIM ejector, and this is the volume rocker, and this is the button for vibration or switch off this one. So back side you will get two cameras, this is a flash and the microphone. Front side you will get one camera, that is 12MP front camera. Back side you will get dual camera, 12MP plus 12MP. One is ultra and one is normal camera. So peel of this. This is the iPhone, looking very nice. So actually this is the OLED panel. So it's nice looking and feel. So it's another premium model. By the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of this mobile. Actually the size of this iPhone 12 is 6.1 inch Super AMOLED Retina XDR display. So back side you will get two cameras, 12MP plus 12MP. Front side you will get 2MP front camera. So it is runs on F14 Bionic chip, which is the latest generation chip provided by the Apple, that is neural engine process. And ceramic shield, it supports IP8, IP68 water resistance, all screen OLED displays, and runs on iOS 14. So let's see the setup. So first you need to connect the Wi-Fi or if you have mobile data, it will automatically switch on. So let's connect the mobile data to create the Apple ID and password to log on to the device. So just enter the password to connect the Wi-Fi. Once the password is connected, it will go to the next step to set up the device. See data and privacy. So if you want to set up the Face ID, you also set it, or you can create a password code also. So by the time it's set up, if you want to transfer the data from the old mobile, that is Apple phone or iOS device, you can transfer using the options here is there. So if the old mobile is there, you can transfer the data from that is moved from Android. So we'll ask the code. You have to enter that code on this Android mobile so that both will connect and transfer the entire data, that is calls data and the music on Android on files, videos you can transfer from Android phone to Apple iOS. So next, create a Apple ID to log in. So I have to, if you have already ID, so you can log in using that ID. Otherwise, you have to create a new ID and password. So after that, just log in, just click on the next. It will ask the terms and conditions. So once you accept the terms and conditions, so it's showing express settings. So click on continue. So later we will set all the details. Keep your phone up to date. Continue. So message and FaceTime, Siri, continue. So set up all these things later. I have fastly set up all these things. So it's not now. Click on that. Click on that. App analyzing. Click on that. So continue. Continue appearance. So you can select here the dark trim and light trim. So I have direct to light trim, and display zoom also you can select it. So I have set it normally. So if you zoom it, the icons will be showing larger in size. Now welcome to iPhone. It will take only few seconds to set up the device, and see how to set up is completed. Now log on the device, see the phone. Actually the display and the quality and the brightness is very good compared to the all mobiles right now in the market. So actually it's a very premium feeling, but the cost of this one is very high. So the cost of this one is 84,900. So by the offer you will get 6,000 something through the HDFC card. So you will get around 76,000 if you have a card. So but cost of the mobile is premium, but mobile is also very premium. So please be careful before buying this costly mobile. So actually the UI is also very fluid compared to the previous. iOS 14 is very fluid one. So they have a lot more options in this iOS 14. So later we will set up all these things. Right now we will see the go to the general settings, and we will see how much memory we will get in this mobile. So you will see here, see iPhone software update iOS 14.3 is running at 14.3. So iPhone 12 model number. So in bottom you will get capacity 128 GB, but available capacity is 113.16 GB. This is the final memory you will get it. In these options 256 GB also is available. If you want to buy it 256 GB, you can buy it through 256 GB, but 128 GB enough normally for normal user. But if you are a heavy user, you will need a 256 GB, but it will cost some more 5 to 10,000 So if you want to bear it, so you can buy it 256 GB model. So this is one of the finest and premium Apple iPhone 12 unboxing video. Later I will provide the review on this unit. So like I will provide the unboxing videos of various mobiles and gadgets and tech videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon to get the notifications of newly uploaded videos.